Aquarium filtration is the backbone of a healthy freshwater or lightly brackish setup. A capable filter does more than just clear debris. It drives biological filtration, oxygenation, and water circulation that supports stable parameters for fish and plants. In this comparison, I evaluated 5 filters across a price range from budget to premium.
List number 1. Seachem Large Aquarium Fish Tank Filter. The Seachem title setup represents Seachem's collaboration with Seache to deliver a bottom-to-top flow with a self-priming pump and a self-cleaning impeller, marketed as cartridge-free for reduced maintenance mess. With a 110-gallon target, its footprint is moderate, and its design emphasizes minimal cartridge changes while relying on a multi-stage filter medium approach inside a compact form factor. Notably, it omits traditional filter cartridges, aligning with Seachem's common preference for customizable media stacks and reduced ongoing consumable costs. Prospective buyers should value the lightweight construction and the adjustable leveling device to accommodate varied aquascapes and stand heights. Cons include limited published warranty details and a relatively small external footprint that may constrain media capacity for heavily stocked tanks. Performance-wise, the absence of standard cartridges means you're shaping the biofiltration and mechanical stages to your media choice, which can be excellent for experienced hobbyists who want customization but may intimidate beginners seeking plug-and-play simplicity. The self-priming capability reduces startup friction, and the 110-gallon suitability aligns well with mid-size setups. Users should consider ongoing media replacement costs and ensure compatibility with biomedia options that fit into the multi-chamber arrangement. The bottom-to-top flow design can favor surface skimming and uniform distribution. The real-world results will hinge on the chosen media and flow adjustments.
List number 2. Fluval 307 Performance Canister Filter for aquariums up to 70 gallons. Fluval's 307 is a mainstream canister model featuring E-Tech motor technology for high efficiency and quiet operation with max flow around 1150 liters per hour. It emphasizes a user-friendly, easy lift media basket system for quick media changes and center handle access. The unit includes standard media components like biofoam and carbon, plus a comprehensive assortment of hoses, fittings, and pre-filter baskets. With a 70-gallon capacity target, it's positioned as a versatile all-rounder for hobbyists who want robust filtration with straightforward maintenance. Prospective buyers will appreciate the quiet operation and quick access media baskets. However, the 220V operation and relatively larger footprint require space planning. In practice, the 307 excels in multi-stage filtration, mechanical, chemical, and biological, while maintaining a compact footprint for a canister. The integrated Easy Lift baskets reduce the pain of media changes, and the center handle design simplifies removal and cleaning. Performance-wise, expect reliable water polish and strong biofiltration, suitable for a broad range of bioloads in 40 to 70-gallon tanks. Some users may note the initial setup required to connect intake and output plumbing, and there are occasional reports of leaks if fittings are not tightened properly during maintenance.
List number 3. Aquarium filter for 40 to 70-gallon tanks. The HEPA markets an all-in-one 225 GPH filter geared specifically to 40 to 70-gallon tanks, emphasizing aeration, water circulation, and an isolation chamber to reduce biofilter sponge clogging. The 10-watt noder is paired with a visible multi-chamber design that promises ease of cleaning and customization of media. Notably, it supports adjustable bubble mode for enhanced water movement and oxygenation, with a transparent chamber for quick debris monitoring. Prospective buyers will value the simplicity and dedicated 40 to 70-gallon targeting, but should consider the lack of saltwater compatibility and the limited long-term field data compared to established brands. In terms of performance, the isolation chamber design is a standout for reducing maintenance headaches by preventing biofilter sponge clogging, extending media life. The ability to tune bubble output can improve surface agitation and gas exchange, which is beneficial for densely stocked tanks or planted setups with high oxygen demand. However, this unit's limited brand history and 5-star initial reviews should be weighed against the broader ecosystem of tested canisters. The unit's plastic construction and compact dimensions indicate lighter weight and potentially less robust construction under heavy bioloads.
List number 4. 265 GPH canister filter. The PondForce 265 GPH canister is a budget-friendly external filter designed for tanks up to 75 gallons. It offers multi-stage filtration with adjustable flow control and a copper brushless motor, marketed as quiet with rubber feet to dampen vibration. The included media kit and compatibility with various filter media types appealed to budget-conscious buyers who want a practical, no-fuss setup. Pros include strong flow for the price and a broad media compatibility. Cons include not being saltwater appropriate and a heavier unit that may require space and careful maintenance to prevent leaks. Performance-wise, 265 GPH is a respectable turnover for mid-sized tanks, supporting decent mechanical filtration and providing room to customize media for chemical and biological filtration. The adjustable flow rate is a useful feature to tailor circulation for different aquascapes, from densely populated freshwater tanks to lightly stocked community tanks. However, the claim of not being saltwater compatible means this is a dedicated freshwater option, which limits its versatility for hobbyists who maintain reef or brackish setups. Durability and long-term reliability may hinge on correct assembly and media selection.
List number 5. Marineland Penguin BioWheel Power Filter. Marineland's Penguin line uses patented BioWheel technology to deliver wet-dry biological filtration within a compact multi-stage cartridge system. At 350 GPH and targeting 50 to 75 gallon setups, it emphasizes ease of maintenance with right-size cartridges and a proven track record in consumer aquariums. The BioWheel concept is a standout for those seeking reliable biological processing with relatively simple cartridge changes. Prospective buyers should weigh cartridge replaceability and compatibility with Marineland's range of right-size media. A notable strength is brand familiarity and a strong track record in community tanks. In daily use, BioWheel filtration excels at establishing a robust biofilter with lower maintenance frequency for some setups because the wheels provide surface area for beneficial bacteria. The system's modular filter cartridges simplify quick changes, though ongoing replacement costs can accumulate. For tanks within its 50 to 75 gallon target, this filter provides solid mechanical and chemical filtration alongside biofiltration. Potential downsides include ongoing cartridge costs and a reliance on Marineland's specific cartridge ecosystem, which may limit media customization for advanced hobbyists.